Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosa, they call me My Madudu. I want to apologize for the delay in uploading a new video. I'm a frontline worker and often too busy. Please, I urge everyone around the world to use old clothing to make facial masks to protect yourself from COVID-19. It is important we protect ourselves from this pandemic. Fortunately, I've just had a vaccine 2 weeks ago, and I can assure you it's safe, and if there's any opportunity to have one, please do so. Now, let's come to my topic. Today, I'll be talking about CD Babe music distributor and how, as music artists, you can earn some money using their platform and at the same time creating a fan base. Recently, I've been asked by many artists the ways in which they can promote and create fan base. This is why it was important I do this video. After serious consideration and discussing with CD Babe assistants, I came to the conclusion that CD Babe was the best distributor platform for many artists to use for a small fee, and I think it's worth it. Let's get straight into the topic. As the music industry constantly evolving, CD Babe is looking for new ways to allow artists to make more money on their platforms, to monetize and earn money with CD Babe. So as with YouTube Content ID, with Facebook, you need to opt for social video monetization to be able to earn money or revenue. Social video applies to social media platforms such as Facebook. Similar to YouTube channel, you can upload your music and earn money through Content ID. It's exactly the same way, but with Facebook, there are two ways of doing that. So you can have Facebook videos and short stories which can last up to 30 seconds, but you still have to opt in during the application or submission of your music on CD Babe. I need to emphasize, you need to opt in, because without opting in, you won't be able to get all these resources I'm talking about. This also applies with Instagram. So since Facebook purchased Instagram in 2012, there are three ways music artists can make money through Instagram. So these are short videos which appears for 24 hours, then they disappear. Reels are short videos similar to TikTok, which you can also put on the platform so that you can promote your music and create more fan base as well. Then you have IGTV. This one, you can upload your music for an hour, and you can use this one for performance, interviews, which you need as a musician to promote your music and to create more fan base. So how do you make money on TikTok? Let's talk about this one. It's very interesting. You earn money when a new video is created using your song. Anyone can create a video, thereby creating yourself some earnings, some revenues. That's why having a new song that becomes part of a trend on TikTok can earn you new fan base and attracts promoters, record labels, which is why it is important to create a video using your own music on TikTok. It is very important. You are wondering, how do you send your music on TikTok? TikTok, it's part of CD Babe's partner streaming platform. So you need to opt in and select TikTok so that your music will be sent to TikTok platform. So it's important to know that, because when you don't opt in, you lose all the benefits that comes with the CD Babe distributor. As I say, it's a fee which you need to pay. but it's worth it at the end of the day, because you'll be able to use all these resources and you can start to earn money through that. Have you used CD Baby in the past? Let me know in the comment section. And if you want me to talk about any other topic you wish me to discuss about or talk about it in the future, please leave a comment below. I hope it makes sense, and please like, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that buzzer so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And bye bye.